In this video, I'll be showing you my stay at Bougainvillea Hotel Resort located in Barbados in Oistins. I'll be checking out the beautiful beach, the lovely pool area. I'll be showing you the hotel restaurant and the room we stayed in. So I'm just outside the hotel now. This is what it looks like from the outside. Now if you walk down there, there's a bus stop which takes about 5 minutes walk. And each bus journey costs around about 7 Barbadian dollars for two. I'm just about to go inside the lobby now. There's a reception over there. And down there is the pool. And there's the sitting area over there. They've got a couple of shops there, here as well. Loads of gift buying, etc. Now this hotel has a spa and a salon, and here's all the different prices and treatments they provide you with. They also have a gym at this hotel. And as you can see, it's very spacious and there's lots of equipment there. And there's the hospitality lounge. And they have a games room there which features a pool table, table tennis, football table and things like that there. And there's a small section for little kids as well. And they have a couple games consoles there. Now just walking down to the pool area, lovely water feature here. Just hopping over the bridge now. And they've got a bar area here. And they provide you with free water. I'd say this is one of the main poles, which leads over there and then under the bridge. You can swim up over there. And there's another pool at this hotel. They even got a swim up bar area. It's quite big and it's about 5 foot, so it's not too deep. So this is their main restaurant, which is called the Calabash Beach Bistro, and they do plenty of theme nights here. And this is the view we get from the restaurant. Absolutely stunning. So this is a lunch menu which you can have. The prices are all in Barbados dollars. I might go for the garlic chicken wrap. And here it is. Now just coming through the corridor to the beach. And this is our lookout. I've stayed at loads of hotels, But this particular hotel is unique as it's the first time you can ask beach staff to place parasols wherever you want on the beach, which is a very nice touch. And it's all sorted. Just like that, they had a couple of them fit the parasols on, and they even offered a table as well, which is absolutely brilliant. Now I'm just at the beach now, in the water. If you haven't been to the Caribbean before, the sea is it's quite warm. You're definitely getting it straight away easily. And you got the volleyball net over there. And here is where you get your towels, and that's where you get your umbrella placed on the beach. But they provide complimentary bodyboards to use, kayaks, paddleboards, and masts and snorkels. You play some games as well. Just ask for volleyball. They even provide you a hobby cat for $25. They also have a chessboard here, and I'm not really sure what game this is. If someone can tell me in the comments what it is. It's absolute really stunning scenery. And my room is in this direction. Now this hotel doesn't have any lifts, so if you're planning to stay here and got mobility issues, it's probably best to ask for a ground floor room. This is my room, 322. Now as you walk through the door, you'll see the kitchen on your side. You got a toaster there, you got a kettle, you got a microwave, a chopping board. Inside those cupboards you got glasses and cups, you got plates, and you've got a fridge where you can stock up, and then a freezer as well. And inside you got your cutlery. Inside there you got your pans and pots. You got a fire extinguisher in case anything goes wrong. Now in the bathroom you got your usual stuff. Under there you got towels, a hairdryer, tissues, and they supply you with toilet rolls. And, which I found really most surprising, they provide you with white company in Barbados. And then in here you got towels, more white company there to use. And you got a nice shower head, another shower there. And they supply you with a bathrobe to use. And inside you got your coat hangers. There's quite a lot of them, and it's really spacious cupboard as well. Got a spare pillow if you want to use an extra one. And they've got an ironing board here with an iron and a safe. There's also another bathrobe there. And they have an air conditioning unit. And here are the beds. We slept there the previous night, so we just made the bed ourselves, but it's a lot more tidier than that when the cleaners come. But originally this was down as a double bed, but we asked the reception to change it to a twin bed, and they did it sort of like straight away really, which was really good. You got your alarm clock there, sofa, which does actually turn into a sofa bed. Got the TV there, and there's two fans there. Now just going outside on the balcony, and they've got a table there and 2 chairs and a sun lounger. But look at the view we've got from out here. Now I just got invited to the bigger room. I'm not sure what this is called. It will show on the screen. But this is the bed there. You got the TV there. Loads of drawers. And that's the view. You got the same usual cupboard from the last one with towels and robes etc. provided. Now just going in the bathroom. They've got 2 sinks here, and then you've got the shower, and then you've got the kitchen. There's a bigger fridge there, and the freezer, and they've got an oven here, and here's the room. Got another TV over there, and it says, "Dear guest, you are invited to our complimentary manager's cocktail party. Please join us on Thursday, which is today, from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. in the lobby. We look forward to seeing you there. Warm regards, the Bougainvillea Barbados team." Might as well go. So I'm at the cocktail party now, and I just got given a complimentary cocktail. It's called the Calabash cocktail. Cheers. Lights are off. So this is the hotel at night. You can hear all the noise of the crickets in the background. Tell you what, it looks absolutely beautiful at night. So this hotel does special nights. So on Saturday night they do a Thai night. So I've gone for the chicken cashew along with the noodles. Well, that chicken cashew, it's spicy, but honestly it was absolutely delicious, and it was one of the best meals I've ever had actually for a long time. So massive compliments to the chef. Right, so this is my final night at this hotel, so I thought I'd give you my final review. Would I stay at this hotel again? 100%. I think it's a really lovely hotel. The rooms are really nice, the food was really nice. I mean, especially the Thai meal, that was absolutely spot on. I can't fault the staff at all. I thought the staff were absolutely excellent. The beach is really nice. I mean, what the highlight for me was that the staff can relocate the parasols and the umbrella to wherever you want it. And I've stayed in so many hotels over the years and I've never come across that at all, and I thought that was a really, really nice touch. They provide entertainment every evening. I mean, mostly singers. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more of my travel stuff, hit the like and comment and hit the subscribe button. That would really be appreciated. And if you want to see more of my hotel stays, check out my Parga Beach Resort one here. And if you want to see what I got up to in Barbados, check here. And I'll see you next time. Take care.